Hey guys, what's up? This is David here. I wanted to show you a quick and easy way for you to upload a custom font to your Squarespace website. So the first thing we are going to do is inside Squarespace, we are going to go to Design, and then you will see Custom CSS. So once we click on Custom CSS, there's a few things we want to do, but let's start here. Number one, it's basically 3 steps. First step, manage custom files. So we click on that. Right here you see it says add images or fonts. So what I'm going to do is I am going to drag this font over. It will upload, and then from there I will click on it, and what you'll see is it'll pop up with the URL right here. Cool? So step 1 is done. I'm going to move this down a little bit and then come up here, and then I will name this custom font heading 1. Cool. So from there, I would take this source code here, really simple. This is provided in the post, font family. So what we want to do is take the font name. Basically, you can name it what you want. I'm just going to take the name and place it here. And then the URL, that's this right here. So we got this by just clicking on what we uploaded. It'll add the URL in. So I will move that, paste it in, didn't copy it. What I'll do is I'll just click there, and now it's added in. Perfect. So you can see I changed the URL here, and I changed this name here. From there, it's really a simple step of, let's do this. So I want to change the heading 1, which is this text here. This might actually be heading 2, but we'll see. Then I'll paste this in. Right here it says font name exactly as above. So capital A, dear. Okay, I think it's heading 2. So let's change that. And there you go. Yeah, so this is heading 2. So you could see it change the font. If you want it to change multiple fonts, H2, let's say body, well, all you have to do is put a comma, add whichever font you want to change, and it will do it. So what's cool about this is all the other settings of the font, let's say, all the other design elements, you can still control. So once this is saved, so basically you're done, but I want to show you a couple more things. So let me hit save. Site style. So now click on site styles. And then from here, if you want to control the size of the font, any of those things, you could still do that here inside site styles. So if you want to make the font bigger, however you want to play with the font, if the line height, you want to change the line height to whatever you want it to be, you can do that. All these controls are still here. Basically what's happening is what we've done is we've what's the right word? Overridden this font choice by using a font that we uploaded. But everything else still works for the most part. Now, this font doesn't have weight uploaded, so it's not going to change in weight when you change it here. But potentially, if you have the bold version of the font and you upload it and you make it bold, it will work. Now, there's kind of like different little things there that can get in the way, but for the most part, that should be fine. Now, say you want to change a font style. I think I see this happen a lot with like things like blog posts. So say you want to change, for instance, this title. Well, what you can do is you could right click, hit inspect, and then what you'll see is that this class here is also titled body or blog item title. So I just copy that, the class, and then go back to custom CSS. See if this, there we go. And this might be, there we go. So it needed a special little period in front of it to get it to work. But as you can see, now you've changed that title as well. So there might be some other structures of fonts throughout the site that you may want to play with. And this is a way that you can do that. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Just play around with the site. Step 1, 2, 3, upload the font. From there, add this in, set it up how you want it. And then step 3, add in the site structures that you want so you could change the fonts. From there, you're good to go.